Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Mehmood. How to create Gmail account? Creating a Gmail account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to create your own Gmail account. Step 1. Visit the Gmail website. Open a website browser and go to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com in the address bar or by searching for Gmail on search engine. Step number 2. Click create account on Gmail login page. You will find a create account open. Click on the start account create process. Step number 3. Fill in your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information including your first and second name. You will also need to choose a unique email address username that will be used to identify your account. Gmail will be suggest available username based on your name, or you can create your own. Step number 4. Create a password. Choose a strong and secure password for your account. A strong password usually include a mix of upper and lower case letter number and special character. Make sure it's some you can remember but is difficult for other guess. Step number 5. Configuration your passport. Enter the password again to confirm it. Make sure do not make a mistake. Will take it. Step number 3. Added a recovery email and number. It recommended to add a recovery email address and phone number to your account. This will be help to recover account in your case. Forget your password and get to log out. It also added an address for layer of security. Step number 7. Date of birth and gender. Provide a date of birth and select your gender. Step number 8. Practice term right view Google pre-quality. And the term of service, click next and agree to proceed if you agree with the term. Step number 9. Verify your phone number. Google may send you a verification code to your phone number. You provide enter the code to verification your phone number. Step number 10. Optionality security system setting. You may be proactive to set up additional security settings such as two-factor authorization for added account security if recognized. To enable this feature. Step number 11. Personal your account. You can edit profile picture to your account or customize your account setting according to your performing. Step number 12. Welcome to Gmail. Once you complete all the exact steps, you will be welcome a new Gmail account index. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel.